cheese-filled chicken tikka rolls. You and your family will love these delicious, spicy cheesy chicken tikka rolls. Let's make it. Bismillah. Thinly slice 1 pound of boneless chicken breast. Make sure you cut really thin slices, otherwise rolling will be difficult and cooking time will be increased. Add these spices: tikka masala, Shan or national brand, cumin powder, salt, garlic powder or minced garlic, crushed black pepper, sumac, or 1 tablespoon lemon juice, dry parsley, optional, dry oregano, optional, red chili powder, exact amount is listed. And 2 tablespoons of yogurt, rub it over chicken slices. Take 8 ounces of Havarti cheese cut into 2 inches long, and about ½ inch thick rectangular shapes. Flatten the marinated chicken slices by using meat hammer. You can use mozzarella, cheddar, or pepper jack. Make chicken rolls by folding the edges of the chicken slices so cheese won't ooze out during cooking. After rolling these rolls, cover, and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or for best results rest it in the refrigerator for 5 hours before cooking. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, add chicken rolls, cook on medium heat for 1 minute. Flip, and cover the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's ready. If you like, you can pour this leftover cooked sauce over chicken tikka rolls, optional. Serve immediately with chutney, salad, or naan. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.